Hello, how are you doing? This is Bartosz again from Poland, and I wanted to show you something great in my spreadsheet Excel file. You can download it for free. Just go to the link from the description. The link is in the description. Let me show you something. You see this cell I highlighted, where it's summary of all these values. Whenever it goes above 40 hours, it will show you or remind you that this is very important, and it will color in the yellow. So basically, let me show you. Let's do something like here. I put from 7 to 4 p.m. and we don't want to fill each row or each cell from here to the bottom. Let's do something like this. Okay, see, it's over 40 hours and it's now highlighted in yellow. So this is what you can. This is one of the options, features, and benefits of my great, fantastic Excel spreadsheet, which is here, that you can count your workers' time, overtime and working hours. So remember, you still can download it for free. The link is in the description. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.